So a while ago, I decided that I needed to purchase a John boat. Every young man or middle-aged man needs a John boat. Small aluminum boats can be used for a multitude of things. Fishing, hunting, rowing, camping, car topping, floods, yard decorations, and most importantly in my case, a test bed for running old 2-cycle outboard boat engines. So a bit ago I purchased a 1958 14-foot Feathercraft Fisher, and I hauled it home in the back of my Toyota Tacoma. And while the Feathercraft served its purpose well in our demonstration of how to hide a boat from your wife, and in some Trail 125 capability studies for Honda's unpaid research and development division, a deal came up on a 1950s 12-foot Alumacraft Model G. Alumacraft is the real deal. Built in Minneapolis, Minnesota, they've been an extremely popular choice for boaters and outdoorsmen since 1946 and are still manufactured today. The Model G was made from 1955 to 1957 and was the smallest outboard motorboat that they had manufactured at the time. Its cute little hull is best known by its rounded bathtub-shaped bottom, and weighing in at only 90 pounds, it could easily be moved or loaded and was still rated for an outboard motor rated to 5 horsepower. So, when one of these models in good condition, with a title, trailer, and brand new in-the-box Minn Kota trolling motor surfaced locally on Facebook Marketplace, not buying it was out of the question. I picked it up, mated the Feathercraft with the no longer used trailer, and sent it on its way. Like everything else I buy, nothing is perfect, so I needed to start, keyword start, working on it ASAP. We don't have any room for dingy yard decorations at the Alford home. They've got to look good and be nice looking yard decorations. Star Bright aluminum cleaner restorer before after. That looks promising. Care for it, no care. Let's read. Burn marks. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I'm already bored. Let's just try it out. Advertisement. Oh. Heavy duty acid product handled with care. Huh. All right. Let's see some magic. Hmm. 3 to 5 minutes. I am really being too meticulous for an old boat, for a John boat. Such is the life of an engineer. Never happy with anything, ever. Try to get some good sounds, but instead we end up capturing sirens and airplanes, jets, helicopters, police helicopters chasing bad guys, and children screaming. There's some birds chirping. There's no dogs barking though, which is really surprising to me. Just give it time. These are a little fossilized. Oh, for gosh sakes. All right, business. Sure, Andrew would tell me, oh, it was you just spent half an hour showing everybody how to waste their time. He's probably right, but oh well. getting testy. I just realized because I don't have my smooth hits on, my copyrighted smooth hits, I'm getting testy business. Let's see if that acid's eating through the back of my boat yet. Why the hell will I bother recording this? I know it's gonna turn out like shit. There's the dogs. Get the dogs. Oh yeah. Oh, that's actually fantastic. There we go, look at that. It does have a little bit of rubbing and pitting, but that actually looks really good. This stupid thing. Ah, oh, miss. That feels f***ing great. Stupid. Okay, I've had this boat sitting here for about a month, this Model G. The transom was spray painted, so I stripped that off to the, you know, using whatever means I could. It got into some of the varnish there. I don't know. I hate seeing black paint like that. At least I, you know, originally got pretty sloppy, that paint too. I attempted to clean some of it up. This is still in progress. Why I'm going to this effort, I have no idea. But so I ended up buying new transom wood because this one's still in good shape, but then as you can see, this one's got some rot. It's really rotted out on the back side. You can't see that, but it's pretty much gone on the last bottom part. Or I went ahead and put new stainless hardware on. These are really nice. These came off McMaster car. They're slotted truss head screws that look really close, a lot closer to the original. Replaced the steel stuff with stainless hardware. You can see where that rust had started. The steel hardware had rusted and started corroding into the aluminum. One thing I did notice with this though is that you can see there's a gap here, and I don't know if this is how Alumacraft did this or not, but this wood, and the one I got's a little bit wider, so it'll span this back transom board here, spans across these two supports. These aren't riveted, they're pinched on this. They're pinched to the boat with the transom wood, so the new one's wide enough to fill that perfect. I cut it to the exact width to fit in between. And then what I also did, you obviously have some unsupported section of wood behind here where these supports go, you know, about 1/16 of an inch. Same thing with the front board. The front transom board, the inside transom board, I should say, pinches on this support and then just sits on the aluminum here. So there's a gap where the wood's unsupported in between the boat, or in between the wood and the hull. So I went ahead and stashed it back here for now. That way I can forget where it is. I went ahead and ordered some 16th inch 063 aluminum plate that I can cut down, use as a shim, and actually should help reinforce that a little bit there by increasing the thickness in between. So this is the thing you wished, you know, you wouldn't open the can of worms. Went in and cut that monstrosity off there, and because it bothered me that I had normal bolt still on this. I was going to put this on, but this is what you're dealing with, so they had that mounted to there. I think I'm just going to leave this and probably just put a rubber grommet through here and just run rope straight through it, which is what I'm guessing someone else had done in earlier years. Oh, look here. It looks like I took what appears to be some shitty B-roll, highlighting all the corrosion on the back of the boat that was caused by somebody using you know, hardware that wasn't stainless steel or aluminum. Oh, I've got my fancy shim plate there. Look at that. Look how nicely cut out that is. Oh, that one, fantastic. Pro work right there, guys. Oh, and here I'm guessing that my 3M 5200 sealant dried up, and this Loctite knockoff bullshit, probably what Academy or Home Depot just had sitting on the shelf when I decided to do this last minute. Here, what's that, a motor?
Yeah.
Not a gas motor though, is it? That's an electric motor.
Yeah.
But it was free with the boat, so I guess we can at least use it on the little reservoirs and things, right, where they won't let us use gas. Stupid. What do you think?
Yeah.
Should we open it up?
Yeah.
You want to open it up? We can use this. It'd be cool. It'd be cooler if it was a gas motor, though, wouldn't it? If it made noise. Yeah. Here, hold this and video me. Hold this and video me getting in there. Didn't you want to be on camera?
No.
Why?
Get red fly. Get the red fly. Go in. Get red fly.
All right. So let's see.
This fly. I will hold it.
Is it rolling? You got to say rolling, Jenny.
Rolling.
I will say.
No, it's rolling, not rolling, rolling. You got to say rolling, like Andrew does, rolling. Right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Are you impressed? Are you impressed with that?
Not really.
Oh. What do you think? Oh, okay.
So what?
Oh, Braxton, you're splashing me.
Wide open.
Braxton, you don't even have your shoe on. Braxton, don't get wet. I did not bring any clothes. If you're wet, you're going home in wet clothes. So I don't have any clothes for you.
What? What's wrong?
I'm all wet.
You're all wet? Why are you all wet?
Because I splashed.
Because why?
Because I splashed in the water.
Because you splashed in the water?
Uh-huh.
Why did you do that?
I am wet.
Yep.
I am bleeding.
You're what? Huh.
I'm
Okay.
bleeding, Mommy.
What's the next step, Braxton? Do we need to get a gas motor running for this now and outboard an old one? Which one?
An old one.
An old one?
Mm-hmm.
Which old one? They're all old.
Green one.
The green one?
Mm-hmm.
The Mercury?
Mm-hmm.
The Mercury Thunderbolt? Or the Mercury Super Hurricane?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Let's go.
You can never go too fast,
Can I
can you?
have a shake, please?
A shake? What?
Shake?
What do you want?
Can I have a shake?
Dessert?
Uh-huh.
One more bite and I'll give you dessert. And then give that to Daddy. Maybe Daddy wants to finish that.
Here, I'll finish it.
Give it to Daddy. I think
I'll
Daddy
finish
will
it. There we go.
Alright, you want dessert?
Mm-hmm.
Daddy, the little baby.
Oh,
There's
the baby
two
ducky.
little babies.
Oh.
There's two of them. They're really tiny.
Look, you're tiny.
Hey, Braxton.
Oh.
Look over there. What animals do you think made that graffiti over there? Can I have an Oreo? Oh, one that you licked all the cream off of?
Uh-huh.
Thank you. Can I have another Oreo? Braxton, I want one with the cream on it.
Okay.
I don't need you to pre-lick the cream.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Oh, no, that looks delicious. Steer us, drive it.
We're going into the bank.
Oh gosh. You're gonna, Braxton, you're gonna crash us. You're gonna crash us.
There you go, now go straight.
Oh, yeah, you're going in reverse, Braxton. Go forward. There you go.
Huh.
Yeah, take us back. We need to go to the dock.
I don't know.
You don't know?
There you go.
We're going the wrong way. We gotta go that way. It's gonna spin us around.
Go the other way. Go back.
I don't know.
Go back the other way.
Can you do it?
Me do it?
Yeah. That's
Okay.
what I need help.
Okay.
After taking this boat to the reservoir, loading it and unloading it a couple of times, I'm convinced that it was a fantastic purchase. Andrew told me that I wouldn't even use it once this year, and I've actually used it 2 times, proving how wrong he was. It's the perfect size little boat that's hard to find in today's market and fits perfectly in a 5-foot 3rd gen Tacoma bed and even sits underneath the folded over bed cover. The 5 horsepower maximum outboard horsepower rating is a bit of a concern, but that's more of a safety factor, suggestion anyways, and intended for those who are pussies or simply have too much restraint or common sense. I figure I should be solid up to a good 15 or 18 horsepower either way, encompassing pretty much every old motor I have in the garage. More content to be made on this, guys, but as with all our other videos, who knows when that will be. Sometime. Hope the few of you watching enjoyed, and if you didn't, feel free to drop a comment
letting us know how shitty this all was. And, as always, like and subscribe.